You don't want to be the smartest person in your circle. You want to surround yourself with people who are smarter than you, so that way you can grow and you can scale. But if you're the smallest person in your circle, who are you outgrowing if you have already outgrown your circle? I think it's important for us to get outside of our comfort zone and actually have associates and people that we network that are on a higher level than we on. But they look at us like we're on the same level. And it's something about your gift, fam. I can't stress this enough. A lot of times we don't realize that God give us something from birth, fam, that is unique. It's different than everybody else. We trying to be everybody else, but you got something that's unique and valuable. Once you realize that, your gift will set you those places where you are valuable. And eventually, you're going to get the assets and the money and the power behind the gift. But first, you got to realize the gift, and you have to be in a position in life where life have took you down places where you humble now, and you understand that you got to let certain things take its course. But you never want to be the smartest person in your circle, fam. Get around people who doing things that you haven't imagined or things you want to do without hating on them. You inspired by them. It's flooding your mind with new ideas. That's what you want, fam. That's how you get your hog on. Black Phoenix.